Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to give a huge sorry for you guys for the live stream that I was going to do just yesterday. It did not go as planned. The actual YouTube and the OBS did not really connect, so I'm trying to figure that out as we speak. And on top of that, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new money making method that is going to pay you out every 60 seconds for doing something so simple and so easy, just solving one CAPTCHA, and then start to get paid out every 60 seconds. There are multiple methods within this video, so make sure you watch it from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. And also for the live stream, guys, what I'm going to be doing for the giveaway is doing a premiere and showing you how you can start to make passive income with this one software, guys. So I'm going to show you everything in that premiere, and it's going to be scheduled for next weekend, so I can be down in the comment section live doing a giveaway in the comment section, guys. So I'm going to set that up as soon as possible so you can already have a set reminder and have a date when we're going to go live for that premiere, so I can start doing the giveaways in the comment section. I'm about to show you payment proof right now that this is paying, and I'm also going to show you the step-by-step on how you can actually get started, which is so simple and so easy to do, and even start to make some money right now. Within the first couple of minutes of you actually watching this video, you can start to make money today. So now let's get started with this method. So what I'm going to do first off is I'm going to come down here. I'm going to open up this recent income from the last 24 hours, and you can see these payments already coming in right here, guys. And look, I already have 2 pages, and so now I'm going to show you how you can start to make money. You can either use 2 accounts. You can use Express Crypto, or you can use Faucet Pay. And I recently just started this up about like 2 minutes ago or 3 minutes ago. So you can see that payment proof is already coming in right here as we speak. Next video, guys, I'm going to be doing 2 giveaways. I'm going to be giving away from 2 different videos. So I'm going to be giving away from this video right here and the newest video, which is going to be this one, for the next video. So make sure you still put your Bitcoin address down below in this video so you can get entered to the next daily comment winner. Now let's let's continue on. Now we're going to go to the actual website that is going to be paying us out every 60 seconds. Now this is so simple and so easy to use, even a caveman can do it. No, I'm just playing. Now let's come over here to the faucets list right here, guys. Look at all of these faucets that this is going to be able to work with, and I'm going to show you that right here. Look, I already have Tron open. Now here's the thing. Some of them are going to be like, it's going to take you 3 reloads in order to actually get your money, but you're going to get it, and this is going to be available as long as this website is here, guys. So once it's off of this platform and inside of your Express Crypto wallet, it is yours to keep. Nobody can come in and try to get inside your account and take your money. Once it's off of this platform, it is yours. It's profit. These are some of the websites that I personally enjoy just because you take it off of their platform fast. So now let's go on to this one. We have Litecoin. I'm about to show you how you can actually get this set up and running, and it looks so similar to the other methods I've showed you in the past. So now look, we have 4 Satoshis every 2 reloads, and this is for the Litecoin. So we have Doge right here, 240,000 Satoshis every 2 reloads. So look at that. Total earned already 1,440,000 Satoshis right there in Dogecoin. So now let's come over here, and now let's see this one right here that is working as we speak as well, and this one's going to be Ethereum. So now let me open up another one and show you how you can actually get this set up and how fast and easy it is to do so. So now since it's already loaded up right here, we have the Dash one. We're going to come down here. We have 2 options, and it's going to show you some ads. So we have 2 options: Express Crypto, or we have Faucet Pay. So click right here. We have Faucet Pay, and you're just going to put in your Bitcoin address, or you have Express Crypto. You're just going to put in your Express Crypto ID. In order to find your Express Crypto ID, you're going to come over here. You're going to copy this right there, guys. So copy that. Let's come back over here to Dash. We're going to enter our Express Crypto right there, guys. And it says right here, claim 3 Satoshis every 68 seconds, withdrawal cycle every 3 rounds. So it's going to take 3 rounds in order for you to get your withdrawal from this one. So now let's click on I am not a robot. Let's click on next. And now what it's going to prompt us is to complete this CAPTCHA. So we're going to type in GEDUFA. Go. claim, and then once we click on claim, it's going to start it off right there, guys. How quick and easy is that? So now it's going to claim it, and it's going to take around 3 rounds in order for this to work. So now right there we are making some money. So within the next 3 rounds, we're going to be getting some free Dogecoin inside of our account. So as you can see right here, guys, just after a couple of minutes later, I have this all filled with just dash, 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 dash. Now, as you see that fast forward video clip that I just put in, you can see that it took me some time to actually sign up for all of these. Now, the key is that you have to wait until this page loads up in order to do the next one, because the captcha is gonna kind of like go after whatever you're trying to do. So let's say I'm trying to solve the captcha for this one, and I move on to this one to solve the captcha. It's not gonna work out. So do one at a time, guys, whenever you're setting this up. So I just wanted to show you guys that most of these are actually working, or actually all of them are working at the moment. So you need to get started right away, and I left the clip right here, guys, so you can get started right now with this method. So it says ETH 60 seconds, LTC 60 seconds, Dash, Doge, so on and so forth. So you can get started right now. I'm going to leave the links to all of these and inside a tree link right now in the description of this video, so you can get started right now making some free cryptocurrency. So easy go. So as you can see right here, it says success. We paid out 9 Dash Satoshis to your actual Express Crypto ID. So now if we come over here, you can see my Express Crypto ID and nothing has changed down here, guys. So now let's click on refresh on Express Crypto. We're going to scroll all the way down. You're going to come down here to this. You're going to see it right there, guys. We have 2 dashes. So now we have made more money right there, guys, within a couple of minutes, doing absolutely nothing. And as time goes on, your account balance is just going to start to grow slowly but surely, and this is all free and 100% passive, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.